Welcome to Merimata School Online Education. Welcome to all students in this video session. In this video session, we are going to discuss Class 6, Chapter 2, File Management and Data Organization of Computer. Childrens, in this video session, we are going to discuss how can we move or copy a file folder from one drive to another. We are also going to discuss move or copy a file folder between the storage device. We are going to discuss how can we search a file folder. We are going to discuss understand different file formats. How can we sort files? And last, working with multiple application. Children, in your previous class 5, you studied about the file management. With the help of file management, it is very easy to search the file whenever it is demanded. Children, you have studied the file manager application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives, and it also enables you to access, edit, manage and organize your files and folder. In our previous class, we also discussed what is file. We know a file is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device. We also discussed about the folder, whereas a folder is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. Dear students, now I'm going to show you how can we copy or move file from one drive to another drive or from one folder to another folder. Please open the My Computer. As you open the My Computer, this window will appear and just open the OneDrive in which your data. Now, if I want to move this file into this folder, if I want to move this file into this folder, so what should I do? I just left click on this file and then click right, and then there is the option copy and cut. If you want to move, then do cut and open this folder and just click right and paste it here. Now you will see this file is moved from here to this folder. Now if you want to copy this file from another file, so just do again click right and then do left click on copy. Now where you want to copy this file, if I want to copy this file here, so please do right click and then paste. Now this is copying. Then you see what will happen. The file is now copied. The file is not moving, the file is copying now. So please check, I copied from here, the file is here and the same file is copying here outside. The process is going on. As the process once completed, then you will see like this. So the same file is here and the same file is here. So this process is known as copy. Okay, and if I do cut, then the copy, this file is moved from here to here. So this is the method of moving or copying file. Like if I want to search some file, like I want to search a file whose name start from R, I just write R. So the file starting from R, all are mentioned in this field. These all files whose consisting R letter, all files are mentioned here. So by this method you can search any file. Or if I want to search any file whose start from Y, so I type Y here and the file consists Y letter, all mentioned here. So by this way I can search any file and folder, right? I'm typing English. So the file consisting the English name, the all file is mentioned here. So by this way you can search. Another method is, if you want to search by the extension, with the help of extension, if you want to search something, so you can type .txt. If you want to search any file whose extension is txt, just type txt, and you, as you see, the whole file whose extension is txt is mentioned here. These all files are having the extension of txt. Like if I am searching the file having extension doc, so when I write doc, so all extension having extension with doc file are mentioned here. So same, if I want to search PDF file, so dot PDF, I have to write dot PDF. All PDF file is mentioned here. So by this way you can search any file by the help of extension and by the help of name. Now we'll discuss how can we sort the file. If just please wait. Like if one file is here and one file is here and one file is here, all are uncategorized, and having these type of files which are uncategorized and randomly spreading through the windows, if you want to arrange or sort this file by name, by size, and uh, by item, by date of creating, so you can do one thing. You can just left click on blank area of desktop, and here you are seeing sort by. So you can just click where what do you want. If you want to categorize all the icons or all the folders files by the name, just click on the name. If you want to categorize or sort by the size, you can just click on size, item, date, and date modified. So I want to do categorize by the name, so I am clicking on the name. So as you click on the name, all file is categorized with the name, like D, then T, then N, then R, like this way. So these all files are categorized here. From here, these are the defaulted file. These are the default file. Here, from here your name is start. Okay, A, then B, C, D, E, F, M, like this way. You can arrange all the file, you can sort all the file. Now we are going to discuss how can we working with multiple applications, right? I'm opening the PowerPoint. This is a PowerPoint, and if I want to type something or I want to copy something from the Internet Explorer, so I do one thing. I just open the Chrome and I'm typing here, like I'm typing here Mahatma Gandhi. So I'm searching the name Mahatma Gandhi. So if I want to write something about Mahatma Gandhi in PowerPoint, or if I want to preparing some presentation on Mahatma Gandhi, so I'm searching Mahatma Gandhi on Wikipedia. Here there are lots of things regarding to the Mahatma Gandhi. So this is the Mahatma Gandhi biography. The net is also working slow. Please wait. So if I want to open this, so this is about Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and if I want to copy or I want to copy from here, okay, so what should I do? I can just restore down and just drag it down. Now what can I do? I just copy from here. So these are the multiple windows and I'm opening the multiple application in Windows. So by this way you can use or you can work with multiple application simultaneously. So now your chapter is finished. So if you have any queries or doubts, you can ask in comment section box. Thanks for watching this video and have a nice day.